welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashanti, if you don't already know. And today I'm partnered with Hair Flare. I got a package from them a couple days ago, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a 90s inspired hairstyle. I found this picture of Jania and put it right here. And I'm gonna try to recreate that hairstyle without using heat on my hair. These are the wave formers that I'm gonna be using. Like, you can see the ripples. I'm gonna go ahead and take it over for you. They look like, as you can see, this is the pattern that her hair was in that picture. So this is what I'm gonna be using. They sent me a wide tube comb along with a soft hood blow dryer. They sent me this shine lotion. Okay, hold on. They also sent me some serum, so just like some serum to go on top. Like, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm nervous about this look, honestly, but I'm excited to see what happens. Yesterday I washed my hair and I put my hair in these twists. I detangled it and put them in twists, and they're like I'll say 85-90% dry. First off, I'm gonna start sectioning my hair into 3 sections. So first off, I'm gonna section the part for the swoop. Okay, so now that we got this clipped off, I'm going to go in and make my ponytail that's gonna sit right here. My section. So I'm gonna try to go from the front of my hair. Now that I got this section separated, I'm just gonna part this here. And then I'm gonna take the back section and take this one and put it away, because we're gonna put this section in a ponytail. So I'm just gonna put this one away using my brush, and it's at the bottom, that's why I have a spoon in here. Okay, so I got my hair up in a ponytail. I didn't really show it, but I just slicked it up into this ponytail, and now I'm gonna take the rest of my hair out. So I'm using this Lotta Body foaming mousse. I just use a few pumps of that and get that on my hair, saturated. Really want to work on my ends because they're like super dry and fragile right now, because I haven't had a good treatment. I really need a good treatment, but I'm at college, so I can't really get one. I'm just ready to go home so I can get one done. I need a trim too, like trim really bad, but I will never let anybody trim my hair, not even myself, so, because I don't know what I'm doing. So once I got that product on my hair, I'm gonna add a little bit more on my ends. Yeah, I grabbed the thing and I just stuck the stick inside of, okay, I can't get it in. Ouch. Now I can't get it in. Okay, so this is it right here. And there we go. I'm just gonna put it all the way down on the thing like this. Okay, bro. There we go. Put it through. Okay, guys, I'm done with the back. Okay, I kind of like how this looks. Like, I don't know. So I'm gonna work with my ponytail now because the whole back section is done. To show y'all right before I'm going to bed, I'm using the hair flare, the soft hood blow dryer. So it's blowing my hair right now, and it's connected to this blow dryer here. I fasten it around my neck, my chin, and it's not pulling too tight. It's not choking me or anything. And it has a drawstring here, so I could strap it around. I didn't bring it all the way to the front because this is where my swoop is at, and I'm doing it in the morning. And then yeah, everything looks good. I really love how it came out. Well, I love how it's going so far, and I love how my TikTok is looking so far. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow when I'm taking them out. Hey y'all, welcome back. So today is the next day, and I'm super excited to finish this look. So I slept with the things in, and I'm just showing y'all this sleepy beauty is about it. Like, don't play. This is a large. If you think it's not gonna fit your hair, baby girl, yes it will. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking them out. I'm like super nervous. Ouch. Ooh. Edge control that I'm gonna try to use because I don't have like wax or anything. So this is the Be Spoiled Bratz Firm Hold Edge Control, and this is the edge control from Honey Curls. I think I'm just gonna take a little bit of hair at a time and slick it down so I can get a good slick. I'm gonna start separating this hair just a little. I don't know what happens to this little piece. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's somewhat tutorial, and it's partner collab with Hair Flare. I really enjoyed using these things once I figured them out and stop messing them up. It came out really, really good. I think I recreated the style very, very well to have not used any heat. I want to remind y'all that I didn't use hot air on the blow dryer. I used cool air just to get some air flowing through my strands or whatever. But purr. I'm probably gonna wear this for a couple of days and then bring y'all some more content. I really enjoyed this video, and I'm starting to post my TikToks on YouTube too for the what is it called, shorts, YouTube shorts. So if you see those, make sure you like those up too, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.